You probably heard about dropshipping, right? If you want to start a business, you might have considered adding this to your list. Do you want to learn the easiest way to start a dropshipping business from scratch? You have watched the right video. Watch this video until the end and start your business after. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security. All in all, let's talk about money. A great way to enter the world of entrepreneurship is to launch a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a well-liked business model because of its low startup costs, zero overhead, and simple and direct operation. Dropshipping is a viable option for those who want to build a new business because it can be started for as little as $100. You'll be able to market your brand, set your product prices, and sell goods to customers. Inventory is not even required to be paid for until it is sold to an actual customer. You can create a successful brand if you're willing to put in the effort. Starting a dropshipping business can be challenging for a beginner. The main issue is a vast amount of information. Most likely, you're getting information from various sources that frequently conflict with one another, which makes it more confusing and leads to information overload. In this video, we will make it easier for you. Select your product, look for a supplier, build your store, and advertise it. That's just it. Watch this video until the end to learn more. Let's get started. Step 1. Select your preferred business concept. What you sell actually does matter. The best dropshipping business concepts should be researched thoroughly. A business concept explains what and to whom you are selling. You should start with a small selection of products you believe will sell to a particular demographic because dropshipping offers so many options. An example of a business concept would be to target trendy clothes. The clothes should be up to the latest trend and with specific designs that cater to this market. The concept is the cornerstone for the goods you sell, the layout of your website, and your marketing. So taking the time to develop it is essential. It's a common misconception about dropshipping that you can be profitable and successful in any niche, but this is entirely false. You'll have an uphill battle with your new business if you pick a market that is oversaturated with vendors or dominated by well-known brands. However, it's essential to keep in mind that because setting up a dropshipping product line is relatively inexpensive, you can change your mind or change your mind about the product if you feel you made a mistake. Step 2. Look for a supplier. Finding a trustworthy supplier is often the most challenging aspect of starting a dropshipping business for aspirant e-commerce business owners. You depend on your suppliers to keep your product in stock, maintain product quality, and guarantee that orders are shipped to customers on time. Your supplier is your most significant business partner as a dropshipper. As you evaluate potential products and suppliers, keep the following things in mind. A. Popularity. Choose a product that is purchased and loved by many. With this, marketing will be easier. B. Profitability. Consider the wholesale cost and suggested pricing for each item to determine its potential profitability. Fees will lessen your profit. Include this in your calculations. C. Quality. When determining an item's quality, most dropshipping sellers rely on sales figures and supplier reviews from marketplaces. You can also consider buying a sample to experience using it firsthand. D. Location. Be sure to consider your supplier's location so that the delivery time will not be affected. Also, the delivery fee will be higher if your supplier is too far from you. E. Supplier reliability. Make sure you examine your supplier reliability. Supplier reviews and valuable sources can help determine which to choose. F. Return policy. You should review each platform's return procedure and policy. The majority of dropshipping marketplaces try to handle most issues without returns and with no return refunds. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comment section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and you love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now, let's continue. Step 3. Build your store. To sell your goods, you must create an online store. An online store is a website made to help you present the goods you're selling in an attractive manner and has the shopping carts required to handle the transactional processes. To create a website, you will need the following. Number 1. Domain name. Number 2. A content management system or CMS like WordPress, Shopify, or Squarespace. Number 3. Integrations with the dropshippers of your choice. Number 4. A built-in payment gateway for online payment receipts. A popular option for those starting a dropshipping business is Shopify. Learning more about the top e-commerce platforms is worthwhile because it is not the only option available. Don't forget to register your business after building the store. Take care of the legal and financial aspects of your new venture. Step 4. Advertise your products. You can't just launch a website and hope hundreds of thousands of people will find it. The new business needs to be advertised. You will probably spread the word about it further than you would with other businesses in your neighborhood because it is online. Become a member of social media groups that are appropriate for your company and start contributing in a helpful way. Don't just try to sell. Answer any queries that people may have. Establish specific business pages on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media sites. Post frequently about new offerings, promotions, or insider hints. You might want to add real ads and sales to your social media marketing initiatives. Facebook ads that target particular demographics can be run on a small budget. Consider launching an advertising campaign with a $10 daily budget to increase traffic to your online store. Additionally, you can use SEO strategies to write a blog that makes it easier for customers to find you online. A small amount of each of these marketing techniques must be used by many new e-commerce stores to attract enough customers to their sites. And that's it. It's just easy, right? All you have to do is think of what you want to sell. Look for a supplier, build your store, and advertise it. You can do it smoothly. The only tricky part is thinking of your niche. Just follow these steps to build your newest business. And never forget that building your drop shipping business now is the best way to learn how to do it. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you think it's easy to start a drop shipping business? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.